Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will show you the product launch from May 2025 in relation to invoices. So starting on the dashboard screen, we will go to Business and Invoices. And we'll just open any invoice for this example and we'll click Edit. What you'll notice now is when you're adding new rows, you can move this blank row into any particular place you would like, rather than it only having to start at the bottom. So this is allowing for more efficiencies when creating your invoices. You'll also note that the account, for example, will show fully on the screen rather than only showing you the beginning few words. So this makes it a lot easier to identify what the account is, and this will be the case for all of the details, including the description, for example. And this reduces the need for scrolling horizontally, and you will be able to see the whole invoice on the one screen. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.